Okay, so on that day we were discussing about stereochemistry and symmetry elements in stereochemistry. So, what are various symmetry elements? So, symmetry elements in stereochemistry. So, I discussed with you. So, generally we are having four symmetry elements. Okay, the first one is center of symmetry. Okay. So, which generally we denote. So, center of symmetry. So, generally we denote it with the I. Okay. The second one is axis of symmetry. So, axis of symmetry. Then third one is plane of symmetry. Plane symmetry, and fourth one is alternating axis of symmetry. Alternating axis of symmetry. Okay. So, the center of symmetry we denote it with I. Axis of symmetry we denote it with C. Okay, so this one is C. Then mirror plane of symmetry. So we call it M. And alternating axis of symmetry. So we call it S, or we can say SN. Nth alternating axis of symmetry, and sometimes we also call it CN, the axis of symmetry. Okay. So out of these four operations, so these three operations, the first one and the next two, so these are improper axis of symmetry. The improper axis of symmetry. And the axis of symmetry is a proper symmetry operations. So these are improper symmetry operations, not axis of symmetry, but improper symmetry operations. And the axis of symmetry is a proper symmetry operations. So this is improper symmetry operations. These three: center of symmetry, plane of symmetry, and alternating axis of symmetry. These are improper symmetry operations. And axis of symmetry is a proper symmetry operation. So why it is proper? Because we can actually visualize it. Because so whenever we do these operations, so whether we are doing a C2 rotation or C3 rotations, so with that help we can actually visualize it. Okay. I already discussed the center of symmetry operations. Okay, so center of symmetry means it is a virtual, okay, virtual point. Okay. So around which the structure is uniformly distributed or uniformly placed. Okay. So for example, if we are having this, so this is duster. Okay. So let us assume the center of this duster, and let us assume this is a plane only. Okay. So plane. So from the center, so how you will find whether a particular structure or a particular maybe compound is having a center of symmetry or not. Okay. So that you can find with the help of a simple operations. Okay. So if you start from one point, okay, then passing through that center, which is imaginary point, so passing through that point and extend to the same length. Okay. For example, if you're starting from this corner, passing through the center, okay, and extending to the same length. Okay. And if you comes across similar type of situations, okay, or similar type of symmetries, okay, then we call that structure is having a center of symmetry. Okay, and it should be applicable from all sides. Okay. Even it fails from one side, okay, so then that means that molecule or that structure is not having a center of symmetry. Okay. So this is most important, that these molecules, they should be, okay, or the structure should be uniformly distributed. So we have already discussed the example of like cyclobutane or maybe square. Okay, so we were having this square. Okay. Then we are having this benzene ring. Okay. So we discussed those examples. Okay. So if you see, so these structures, they are symmetrically distributed. Okay, you start from any point, you will end up in the other end. Okay, in the similar situation or similar type of arrangements. Okay, so we call these kind of structures. And as I told you, if you have any of the structure is having like any atoms, okay, or any situations from where you start and you don't end up with the similar kind of arrangements. Okay, so for example, you start from this point, okay, you're passing through the center, you end up at the same point. Start from this point, okay, you're having similar type of arrangements here. Okay, but when you're starting from this fluorine, okay, and you are passing through the center and traveling same distance in the opposite side. Okay, so here you are not encountering any such type of atom. Okay, so fluorine is not there at the other end. So it means, okay, so from all these sides it is okay. It is following that principle. Okay, but only from one side. If you're starting from the one side and it is not following, so that means it is not having center of symmetry. So this molecule is not having center of symmetry. Okay. If our operations, okay, जो हमारी conditions है, if it fails even from one side, okay, so that means, so this is not having a center of symmetry. Okay, so this is center of symmetry. Then comes to axis of symmetry. Okay, so axis of symmetry. So actually, it's again a virtual line. Okay, so that again it can be horizontal, okay, or it can be a vertical. Okay, horizontal or vertical. It can be anything, or it may be diagonal. Okay, from any side. Okay, and if you rotate the molecule through this angle, okay, if you rotate through any angle, okay, so at the most we can rotate by 360 degrees. So 360 degree is the maximum angle जो आपका स्पेस में होता है, ठीक है, तो वो 360 डिग्री मैक्सिमम एंगल है. ठीक है, सो यू कैन रोटेट एनीथिंग. ये है, आपने इसको रोटेट किया, ठीक है, 90 डिग्री, फिर से रोटेट किया, सो इट इज 180 डिग्री, अगेन रोटेट किया, सो इट इज 270, एंड देन अगेन रोटेट किया, so that it completes whole cycle. So the circle, so this total this rotation is a 360 degree. So you can have that 360 degree rotation. Okay, so similarly so this was a this was a vertical rotation. So this was a vertical rotation. At the same time you can have a horizontal rotations. So you're starting from this point, so this point, so this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree rotations, this is again 270, and this again completes. So this is again 360 degree rotation. Okay, so this horizontal rotation was with respect to the this vertical axis. जो vertical axis है, अब इसके along रोटेशन हो रही है, ठीक है, with respect to vertical axis. ठीक है, so this is this vertical axis है, so we call it vertical axis of rotation. ठीक है, similarly the horizontal rotation, ठीक है, so you can have, so vertical rotation you can have through the horizontal axis. ये horizontal axis है, okay, and if you're rotating it along this side, okay, so this we call this axis. Okay, so these we call these are the axes of symmetry. Okay, and we call it only axis of symmetry if we rotate the given structures by an angle theta. Okay, so by an angle theta, you're rotating it with the angle theta. Okay, and if you end up with the similar type of structure, ठीक है, कि जहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया था, आपने रोटेट करना शुरू किया, and if you are again ending up with a similar type of structures, exactly same type of structure आ रही है आपके पास, ठीक है, then So then we call it that axis of symmetry, and that axis of symmetry can be defined, can be calculated by Cm. So that will be equivalent to 360 by theta. So by what angle you are rotating it. So that will give you idea about the axis of symmetry. Okay. So for example, if you are having a sphere, so this sphere is there. Okay. So if you are having a sphere, and so this is this is for me is a vertical axis. Okay. So this is vertical axis of symmetry. So if you rotate, okay, so let us suppose these are both one A, B, C, and D. Okay. And if you start rotating it, okay, and if you start rotating it, and after rotation of 90 degree, okay, if you rotate it by 90 degree, then you end up with this structure. Okay. So with rotation of 90 degree, you end up with this structure, and you can see these two structures, they are superimposable. ठीक है, they are similar, exactly same. क्योंकि स्क्वायर में तो आप डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते हो, as long as उस पे कॉर्नर्स को आपने डिफरेंट कलर्स या कुछ नहीं किया, या साइड्स को डिफरेंट कलर नहीं किया. अगर ये सेम इस तरह का ब्लैक है सारा, ये पॉइंट सिर्फ आपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए रख लिए कि ए बी सी डी पॉइंट, जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, यू रोटेटिंग इट विद 90 डिग्री एंड यू एंड अप विद द सेम स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है, सो इट मींस you're having a similar structure, so that by the rotation of 90 degree, so that will give you axis. See the value of n, so the n will be equal to 360 by 90. Okay, because with the rotation of 90 degree you are getting that, so it will be equal to 4. Okay, so you call it a C4 axis of symmetry. So this will be C4 axis of symmetry. Okay. Similarly, okay, then you further rotate it. Okay. You rotate it. So if you rotate it further by 180 degree, okay, if you are rotating it by 180 degree, okay, so then you end up with this kind of arrangement. Okay. And again, so this structure is again similar to this one. ठीक है, ये दोनों फिर से सेम है. ठीक है, so with again second with the rotation of 180, it means the molecule is again having another axis of symmetry, and that axis of symmetry, so that n can be calculated by 360 divided by 180 degree. Okay, so that will end up with the value of n is equal to 2. So it means, so this molecule is also having the C2 axis of symmetry. So C2 axis of symmetry means 2 की वैल्यू कहां से आएगी. ठीक है, सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट कि कितने एंगल से रोटेट करना. अगर एंगल n की वैल्यू निकालनी है, अगर आपके पास एंगल दिया हुआ है, इवन देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ n. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास n की वैल्यू है, देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा फ्रॉम दिस. सो फ्रॉम 360 बाय थीटा, सो थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू 360 बाय n एंड n विल बी इक्वल टू 360 बाय थीटा. तो वहां से निकाल सकते हो. सो दैट मींस this molecule is having C4 axis of symmetry as well as a C2 axis of symmetry. Okay, so it means a molecule can have then one axis of symmetry. Okay, it can have many number of axes of symmetry. Similarly, we started with the let us suppose, so we are having this again. So this is hexagon. Okay, hexagon. And you see, if you rotate this, so this hexagon, if you start and if you rotate it by 60 degree, अगर आप 60 डिग्री से रोटेट करते हो, ठीक है, then you will end up with again with the same type of structure. So equilateral hexagon है, ठीक है, all the 6 sides are same. So by rotation of 360, by rotation of 60 degree, you will have, so means n is equal to 360 by 60. So that will be equal to 6. So it means this molecule is having a C6 axis of symmetry. Okay, so C6 axis of symmetry is there. Okay, Further, if you rotate it by again 120 by 120 degree, then you again end up with the same type of arrangements, or same type of structure, exactly mirroring the first one. ठीक है, जो उसकी पेरेंट स्ट्रक्चर है वहां से मिरर करेगी इसके साथ. So it means this molecule is having then 360 by 120. So 360 by 120. So the value of n is equal to 3. So the molecule is again having C3 axis of symmetry. Okay. So it is having C6 axis of symmetry, C3 axis of symmetry, and if you further rotate it by 180 degree, ठीक है, अगर हेक्सागन को आप और 180 डिग्री से रोटेट करोगे, देन अगेन यू विल एंड अप विद, ये 180 से रोटेट कर दिया, अगेन यू विल एंड अप विद द सेम टाइप ऑफ सिमेट्री. ठीक है, सो 180 means so 360 by 180, so it means n is equal to, so it is also having a C2 axis of symmetry. ठीक है, so again a molecule can have, so we can say the molecule can have more than one axis of symmetry. Okay. So in this case, generally when and wherever the molecule is having more than n axis of symmetry. Okay. So we call, in this case, we call these molecules as having more axis of symmetry, and then we can call this molecule which one is the principal axis of symmetry. Okay, so the principal axis of symmetry for such kind of molecule will be the one which is having the highest value of n. Okay, जो n की highest value होगी, so that will be the principal axis of symmetry of that molecule. ठीक है, and other axis of symmetry will be there, वो भी रहेंगी. ठीक है, तो जैसे इस केस में n की highest value है 6. ठीक है, so C6 it will be principal axis of symmetry, and rest will be other axis of symmetry, C3, C2. Okay, they will be other axis of symmetry. Okay, so this is axis of symmetry. Okay, I hope you got it. Then the next one is plane of symmetry. So again, I told you, so you can see it whether it is a vertical or horizontal. Okay, so that you need to see. So if you are seeing it here, this side, so this is Cn. So we rotate it. So this is vertical axis of symmetry. Okay. Similarly, if you are having a horizontal, so this is a horizontal. Okay. Horizontal axis of symmetry. Now, if this, so if this is, so this one is again, this is again a vertical. Actually, this is a horizontal. Okay. So these both are vertical. This one is vertical. Okay, perpendicular axis of symmetry. This one, this is vertical axis of symmetry, and this one is horizontal axis of symmetry. Okay, so if you are having this, so if you say you are rotating molecule through this angle, okay, यहाँ से rotate कर रहे हो, okay, yeah, with respect to this one. Okay, so then what do you think? What will be the axis? What will be the value of n for this for the vertical axis? कितना होना चाहिए नंदिता? ठीक है, my question is, if this is the vertical axis of symmetry, you can type your answer in the chat box. Okay, if this one is the vertical axis of symmetry, okay, then what is the value of Cn? n की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? नहीं है. निष्ठा चौधरी, are you there? My question is, I am asking Cn, what will the value of n? ठीक है, अगर vertical axis है ये, ठीक है, and if you rotate it, when you will get it? I don't know whether you are I'm audible to you people or not. Am I? Okay. So I can see. So yeah, I can see it now. So yeah, it will be definitely, it will be C2. Okay, because if you rotate it by 180 degree, ठीक है, 180 डिग्री से रोटेट करोगे देन यू विल गेट इट, only then you will get it in case of vertical. ठीक है, but if you are having a perpendicular axis of symmetry, ठीक है, so for perpendicular axis of symmetry as I told you, so it will be by rotating it at angle of 60 degree. ठीक है, 60 डिग्री से रोटेट करोगे then you will get it. ठीक है, so then the principal axis of symmetry will be C6. ठीक है, so that I think you got it. So you all of you got it. So then we'll move on to the next one. ठीक है, I can have another. So let us suppose. So this is the molecule. ठीक है, so ethene. So do you think this molecule is having axis of symmetry? इसमें axis of symmetry है क्या? और अगर है, so which one? So this is ethene. So which axis of 180 degree? Okay, so 180 degree. So these hydrogen molecules, they will move towards that one, and these one will be towards the left hand side. So yes, this molecule is having, again it's having C2 axis of symmetry. Okay, so is it having vertical? Yes, vertical axis of symmetry is there. Then next, is it having horizontal axis of symmetry too? है horizontal? Yes, again if you rotate it like this one, again by angle of 180 degree. So 180 degree से rotate करेंगे, then you will have, again this is having again horizontal axis of symmetry too. Okay. Now let us change it a little bit. Okay, so this is transbutane. Okay, so we are having transbutane. So in this case, transbutane. So is it having axis of symmetry? Transbutane. Can it have axis of symmetry? Transbutane. And which is axis of symmetry then? Okay. So this is transbutane, and let us suppose this one is cis-butane. So just want to make you some things clear. So what about cis-butane? So transbutane and cis-butane. So cis-butane, does it have vertical axis of symmetry? You have this one. Okay. You rotate it by 180 degree. The methyl groups, they will interchange their positions, and hydrogen will interchange their positions. So the cis-butane is having C2 axis of symmetry. So that is very much clear. Okay. Whether it is having a horizontal axis of symmetry. Okay. So you rotate it by 180 degree. Okay, no, the methyl group will be exchanged with the hydrogen group, so the structure will not be similar. Okay, we cannot call it to have a C2 symmetry, क्योंकि methyl group ऊपर की तरफ चले जाएंगे. Okay. The other important point. Okay. When we are looking for center of symmetry, okay, then the molecule needs to be symmetrical from all the sides. अगर एक साइड से भी वो नहीं फॉलो कर रहा है उस प्रिंसिपल को, ठीक है, by extending the line and by drawing a line starting from a point and extending it in the opposite direction, ठीक है. If we are not getting, अगर एक साइड से भी नहीं हो रहा, it means that molecule is lacking center of symmetry. Okay, but in this case, in case of axis of symmetry, if molecule is having okay, even from one side, if it is having a symmetry, axis of symmetry, okay, whether it is vertical, whether it is horizontal, or whether it is diagonal, because whatever, so if it is having even from one side, then we will call it the molecule is having axis of symmetry. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ ये horizontal axis of symmetry देख लिया, उसको घुमा के देख लिया, और and you concluded it this molecule is not having center of symmetry, axis of symmetry. It's not like that. Okay, so the molecule, okay, from you need to check it from all the sides. Okay, and if even from one side, if it is having a center of symmetry or axis of symmetry, we call the molecule is having a, so that axis of symmetry is there. Okay, so for example, if you see here, so this molecule is not having but horizontal axis of symmetry, but it is having vertical axis of symmetry. C2. C2 is there. Okay, so we can conclude this molecule is having C2. And what about this one? So if you see it, it's not having horizontal, it's not having vertical axis of symmetry. Okay, neither it is having a horizontal axis of symmetry. ठीक है, सो इसमें वर्टिकल भी नहीं आएगा, ट्रांस के केस में, और हॉरिजॉन्टल भी नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, देन व्हाट अबाउट डायगोनल. ठीक है, सो इफ यू रोटेट इट डायगोनली, ठीक है, सो विल इट हैव axis of symmetry if you rotate it diagonally? So like from here, so if you rotate it like this way, so then again, so this CH3 group will not occupy exactly the same positions where the earlier methyl group was. Okay, so we can see, so this molecule is lacking the axis of symmetry. The trans-butane is lacking axis of symmetry, but whereas cis-butane is having axis of symmetry, so it is a symmetrical molecule. Okay, so that this we need to study and we need to see. Okay, so similarly, so you got it, you got the point now. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, so and the next one is plane of symmetry. If you understood the axis of symmetry, then the plane of symmetry will be almost same. Okay, so the plane of symmetry, it will be no, Lisa, C2 axis is not 120 degree. C2 will always be, but I can see you from your message, Lisa Datta. So C2 is always 180 degree. Okay, so how will you calculate? How will you calculate the value of the theta? I told you, you can calculate it from here. So so n is equal to, it is 360 by theta, and similarly अगर आप इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, थीटा इज इक्वल टू 360 by n. Okay, so if you calling it n, C2, so when n is 2, so 360 divided by 2, so that will give you 180. So yeah, so C2 will always be 180. C3 again 360 divided by 3, so C3 will be, theta will be 120 degree. Okay, and C4, for C4 theta will be 190 degree. Now for butene, again for butene you need to see whether butene is cis or trans. Okay, so trans butane also have one C2. So trans butane, how it is having C2? Trans butane, so this is okay, yeah, you got it. So if you are having this is so this was vertical axis of symmetry. Okay, this was horizontal axis of symmetry. Okay, and this is perpendicular axis of symmetry. You got it. Okay, so this is perpendicular axis of symmetry, and if you rotate it through this, now you can see. Okay, so if you rotate it with respect to this perpendicular axis of symmetry, okay, so with the rotation of 180 degree, okay, 180 degree से अगर आप rotate करोगे, so with this rotations, okay, then this CH3 group will be exchanged with this one, so it will be here and this one will be here, and this hydrogen will be exchanged with respect to each other. Okay, so yeah, the perpendicular axis of symmetry is there, C2 is there. Okay, so yeah, we can call, sorry, I missed this point. So this is, it's not having a horizontal as well as vertical, but it is having the perpendicular, which is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so that symmetry is there. Okay, so in this case it is having that symmetry. So C2 axis of symmetry is there. It's, yeah, it's perpendicular axis of symmetry. Okay, so so that's why I told you, you need to check it from all the sides. Okay, so if it's whether it is a horizontal, whether it's a vertical, or it's a perpendicular axis of symmetry, and even if from one side, if this molecule is symmetrical, then it will be definitely, but it will not be having diagonal. अगर आप diagonal बोल रहे हो, so diagonal के case में, because if you rotate it diagonally, सो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस वन, अगर आपके पास इफ यू आर हैविंग ए मॉडल, ठीक है, और अगर आप इसको रोटेट करोगे तो ये जो मिथाइल ग्रुप होगा, सो दिस मिथाइल ग्रुप विल मूव टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड, ऊपर की साइड जाएगा ये, ठीक है, ये हाइड्रोजन, तो ये इट विल डिसलोकेट फ्रॉम इट्स पोजीशन, ठीक है, अपनी पोजीशन से वहां पे नहीं रहेगा जहाँ पे इवन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस प्लेन, अगर ये प्लेन है तो इसके विद रिस्पेक्ट भी रहना चाहिए, ठीक है। सो दिस इज नॉट हैविंग। और सीज के केस में सीज सीज इज हैविंग हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, सीज एंड वर्टिकल, यस इट इज हैविंग वर्टिकल एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री टू, ठीक है। सो इसमें वर्टिकल भी है, क्योंकि वर्टिकल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू रोटेट करोगे 180 डिग्री, यू विल एंड अप विद दिस वन, सॉरी, और हॉरिजॉन्टल अगर इफ यू रोटेटिंग इट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस वन, ठीक है, तब नहीं आएंगे, इट विल नॉट हैव, बट देन परपेंडिकुलर, व्हाट अबाउट परपेंडिकुलर, ठीक है। सो इफ यू रोटेट इट बाय 180 डिग्री, ठीक है, देन बोथ द मिथाइल ग्रुप विल बी इन द अपवर्ड साइड, वो ऊपर की तरफ चले जाएंगे, ठीक है। सो दैट वाज नॉट, बिकॉज़ वी हैव टू सी दिस प्लेन इज द रेफरेंस वन, ठीक है। अगर इसके विद रिस्पेक्ट देखेंगे हम लोग, तो व्हेन वी रोटेट इट बाय, अगर परपेंडिकुलर है, परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस के विद रिस्पेक्ट अगर हम इसको 190 डिग्री से रोटेट करेंगे, देन वी विल एंड अप विद दिस CH3 H and H. So we will be having this kind of arrangements, ठीक है। सो हियर मिथाइल ग्रुप, वो नीचे की तरफ, हाइड्रोजन ऊपर है, यहाँ पे अपोजिट हो गए, ठीक है। सो इट इज नॉट हैविंग परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, इट इज नॉट हैविंग हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, ठीक है, बट इट इज हैविंग C2, the vertical angle of symmetry again, ठीक है। थोड़ा सा उसको ट्राई टू ड्रा इट इन योर माइंड, ठीक है। अगर आपको फिर भी थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, सो गो एंड मेक सम मॉडल, ठीक है, आप मॉडल बना सकते हो बॉल को लेके या कुछ लेके, ठीक है। सो माय पॉइंट इज दिस वन इज वर्टिकल एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, दिस वन is horizontal axis of symmetry, then you are having, so this one is perpendicular to the plane, ठीक है, perpendicular axis of symmetry, ठीक है, and this one is kind of diagonal, ये diagonal आ गया, ये diagonal आ गया, ठीक है। Then the next question, the interesting question will be so what is the axis of symmetry for a circle? Circle के लिए what will be the axis of symmetry? So first of all we need to see whether it is having a horizontal axis of symmetry, vertical axis of symmetry or perpendicular axis of symmetry, that we need to check. तो circle के लिए कौन सा आएगा? Any of you? Yeah, Rajesh, you got it. ठीक है, so C it will be infinity, okay, so that's to no, my first question is horizontal, vertical and perpendicular, okay. So first of all you need to see कि कौन सा है. So yeah, it is having horizontal, it is having vertical axis of symmetry, ठीक है, and it is also having perpendicular axis of symmetry. Okay, let us start with the vertical axis of symmetry. So what is axis, कौन सी, वो जो वर्टिकल है इसके पास, सर्कल के पास है. So if you compare it with the vertical axis of symmetry, so which one, क्या, what will be the value of n for this one, for circle? Yeah, it's having all horizontal. Bandhanika, you're right. It is having all the three. But my question is, for the vertical axis of symmetry, what will be the value of n for vertical axis of symmetry? वर्टिकल के लिए कैसे आएगा? So this is vertical axis of symmetry. You rotate it by any angle. वर्टिकल के लिए इन्फिनिटी नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है, because when you rotating it, ठीक है, it will be away from the plane. So our plane is this one, ठीक है, तो ये प्लेन से बाहर आ जाएगा सर्कल. तो प्लेन से बाहर आ गया, so then we will not call it. It's not a similar, because our reference point is this plane. इसके अगर वैसे देखेंगे तब तो सभी में फिर एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री आ जाएगा, ठीक है. बट वी हैव टू सी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द रेफरेंस, क्योंकि अगर हम इसको रोटेट करेंगे तो रोटेशन से जो मॉलिक्यूल्स की 3 डायमेंशन में पोजीशन है वो थोड़ी चेंज होगी, ठीक है. 3 डायमेंशन में तो सभी रहेंगे, फिर तो हम उसको अगर ओवरलैप करना है तो किसी तरफ से कर लेंगे, ठीक है. हमारा रेफरेंस पॉइंट इज कि वी हैव केप्ट दिस मॉलिक्यूल. आपका एक प्लेन पे मॉलिक्यूल है ये, ठीक है. सो डेफिनेटली मोस्ट ऑफ यू गॉट इट. So when we are talking about the axis of symmetry, the vertical axis of symmetry for a circle, so it will be C2 only with the rotation of 180 degree. We can get it 180 degree. Say if you call it the horizontal one, for the horizontal axis of symmetry, okay. So in this case too, so this will be 180 degree. So 180 degree से we'll get the same section. ठीक है. सो हॉरिजॉन्टल इज देयर, वर्टिकल इज देयर, एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल के केस में द सर्कल इज हैविंग अ C2, ठीक है, इन बोथ द केसेस. देन कम्स अबाउट द परपेंडिकुलर, ठीक है. यू रोटेट इट विद 1 degree, you end up with the same structure. You rotate it with 10 degree, 5 degree, you rotate it with 80 degree, 180 degree, ठीक है. You always end up with the same structure, ठीक है. So this is vertical. और अगर रोटेट करोगे, ठीक है, so you can rotate. You rotate it with 0.1 degree, again same structure. You rotate it with 0.0001, ठीक है. So in a way, we can call it is having infinite number of axes of symmetry, ठीक है. So the circle is having so many the perpendicular axis of symmetry, because this is having maximum value for n, ठीक है. Even by rotating the circle, y a angle of like let us suppose n is equal to 365.0000. so you can write down as many value as possible, ठीक है. So 0.0001, even then that structure, that molecule will have a center of symmetry, the axis of symmetry, ठीक है. So we are having n number of axes of symmetry. We are having so many number of axes of symmetry, okay. So the principal axis of symmetry, it will be C infinite, okay, infinite. So we can't define it, it's difficult to define it, okay. So that's possible, and because this is the largest value, so if somebody asks you what is the principal axis of symmetry, yeah, how many axes of symmetry a circle is having, so it can have infinite number of axis of symmetry, ठीक है. मैंने ये सिर्फ 4 जीरो लगाई, इसी तरह से आप, because it depends upon your measurement, you doing it 0.000000 10 जीरो लगा के 20 जीरो लगा के लास्ट में 1 लिख देते हो आप, even then yeah, that molecule is having the symmetry, so axis of symmetry, ठीक है. और जो वो वाली स्ट्रक्चर आएगी, that's too is having axis of symmetry, ठीक है. So this is about axis of symmetry. Then we move on to the plane of symmetry, okay. If you got the axis of symmetry, then it's easy to get information about the plane of symmetry. So plane of symmetry is exactly it's basically a imaginary plane, ठीक है. जो मिरर है, ये imaginary mirror है या plane है, ठीक है. So which bisect the molecule into 2 equal halves, ठीक है. आप एक प्लेन जो मॉलिक्यूल है, मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में आप कोई भी प्लेन, इट मे बी वर्टिकल प्लेन, इट मे बी हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, इट मे बी डायगोनल प्लेन, वो भी कोई भी प्लेन हो सकता है, ठीक है. सो इफ यू आर हैविंग a molecule, ठीक है, where you can draw a plane, and then if it bisects or if it divide it into 2 equal parts, okay. Let us start with the this butane, cyclobutane, और maybe आप स्क्वायर बोल लो इसको, ठीक है. तो अगर हमारे पास कोई एक प्लेन है जो हम इस पे रखेंगे, इसको पास करेगा, ठीक है, और इफ इट इज डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स, ठीक है, सो दैट द फर्स्ट हाफ इज द exactly the mirror image of second half, okay. So first half exactly mirror image of second half, so we call it a mirror plane symmetry. So that molecule is having a mirror plane symmetry. So it means the mirror plane symmetry is there. Okay, so the molecule is bisecting the equal halves. Okay, and the first half is exactly the mirror image of the second half. ठीक है, क्योंकि मिरर में आप रखोगे, ठीक है, तो ये अगर मिरर इमेज है तो अगर आप मिरर के सामने इस तरह से हाथ रखोगे, ठीक है, तो आपको जो दिखेगा अपनी मिरर इमेज दिखेगा, ठीक है, आपका जो लेफ्ट हैंड है, लेफ्ट हैंड की मिरर इमेज आपको राइट हैंड की तरह दिखेगी, ठीक है. सो दीज आर द मिरर इमेजेस, ठीक है. या इस तरह से आप मिरर की स्क्रीन पे रखते हो, लेट अस सपोज हियर इज द मिरर, ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे मिरर स्क्रीन पे रखते हो एंड इफ यू सी इट इन द मिरर, ठीक है, यू विल सी समथिंग लाइक दिस वन. आपको एग्जैक्टली ये दूसरा हाफ लगेगा और आप इसको बंद करोगे, सो दैट विल गिव यू द एग्जैक्टली सुपरलैपिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स, ठीक है, या ओवरलैपिंग स्ट्रक्चर आपस में ओवरलैप कर रहा है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज the mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, so then again you need to see it. So which of the elements they are having mirror plane of symmetry and which are not having. So for example, we are having this but no, you have only two situations, because axis of symmetry में आपके पास एक horizontal था, ठीक है, एक vertical था और एक perpendicular axis of symmetry था. प्लेन के केस में जनरली यू आर हैविंग टू सिचुएशंस. वन इज वर्टिकल प्लेन, सो वर्टिकल प्लेन इज परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन एंड द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, ठीक है, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर रेफरेंस, ठीक है. सो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस विल बी C2 self C2. Okay, maybe I will take some questions from you if later on. So then let me finish with this mirror plane axis of symmetry. So when we are having, so let us suppose this is okay, we are having वीडियो में देख लिया आपने कि yes, we can pass a plane, is possible to pass a plane so that it can bisect the molecule or it can divide the molecule into two equal half. So that's okay. Similarly, what will happen in case of cis butane? ठीक है, अगर cis butane है, so again, so you are having this vertical plane. ठीक है, so this is the vertical plane and if you see the, ठीक है, this image, ठीक है, अगर आप इसको भूल भी जाते हो, अगर आप इसको मिरर में देखोगे, so that will exactly look like this one, ठीक है, जो दूसरा हाफ है या इसको इक्वल हाफ में डिवाइड कर रहा है, ठीक है, दोनों के दोनों सिमेट्रिकल हाफ में, यू कैन कॉल इट बोथ आर सिमेट्रिकल हाफ्स, ठीक है, और एग्जैक्टली इसकी मिरर प्लेन, दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट मिरर प्लेन सिमेट्री, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज रिजेंबलिंग द mirror plane of each other, the image whatever it appears in the mirror, okay. So this molecule is having yes mirror plane symmetry. So vertical mirror plane symmetry is there, whether it is having horizontal mirror plane symmetry, okay, ये mirror plane horizontal आएगा इसका क्या, okay, so no, ठीक है, अगर आप यहाँ से पास ये plane रखा है अगर आपने, ठीक है, तो इट्स नॉट, क्योंकि ऊपर हाइड्रोजन है और नीचे मिथाइल ग्रुप है, सो वी कैन नॉट कॉल इट इज हैविंग ए हॉरिजॉन्टल मिरर प्लेन, ठीक है. सो दिस मॉलिक्यूल इज नॉट हैविंग हॉरिजॉन्टल मिरर प्लेन बट इट इज हैविंग वर्टिकल मिरर प्लेन सिमेट्री, ठीक है. देन व्हाट अबाउट दिस ट्रांसब्यूटेन, ठीक है, ट्रांसब्यूटेन. सो इफ वी आर हैविंग ए वर्टिकल प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री, okay, so whether this vertical plane of symmetry, whether it is dividing it into equal half, no, or whether the first half is exactly the mirror image of the second half, no, okay, because if you plane a mirror, if you put a mirror here, ठीक है, इन दोनों के बीच में अगर आप ये मिरर पुट कर रहे हो यहाँ पे, ठीक है, so this CH3 it should appear somewhere like this one, जैसे आपका cis butane में आया था, ठीक है. So it cannot, it cannot be like a mirror image, ठीक है, ये दोनों की mirror image नहीं है, ठीक है. So it's not having vertical, ठीक है, it's not having horizontal, ठीक है, horizontal नहीं है. Then what about diagonal, okay, whether it is having diagonal plane of symmetry, सो डायगोनल प्लेन अगर आप ये ऐसे ड्रॉ करोगे, ठीक है, इफ दिस इज द प्लेन, ठीक है, आप इस तरह से ड्रॉ करोगे इसको, ठीक है, सो वेदर द फर्स्ट हाफ विल बी एग्जैक्टली द मिरर इमेज ऑफ द सेकंड हाफ, नो, ठीक है, बिकॉज इफ यू सी, so this CH3 group, it will appear somewhere like this one, so here CH3 and CH3, so it will, अगर आप इसको horizontally देखोगे, so it will appear something like okay. So if you see it in the mirror plane, so it will, because it will form same type of angle here, okay, it will appear somewhere here. So this is again the transbutane is not having, again it's not having even the diagonal mirror plane, okay, so we can call it, okay, so the cis butane is having a mirror plane symmetry, while the transbutane it lacks it. So transbutane is not having a mirror plane symmetry, okay. Bisect transbutenes. No, even then that's what I'm saying. Even if we are bisecting it, okay, so let us suppose we are placing the mirror plane. So we are placing the mirror plane like this one. Okay. So this CH3 group, ठीक है, जो आपका इस तरह से एंगल बना रहा है, फ्यूज एंगल बना रहा है, it will in the mirror, ठीक है, in the mirror it will appear somewhere towards this side, ठीक है, ऊपर की साइड है अपीयर होगा ये, ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज प्लेनर, आपका जो डबल बॉन्ड की वजह से, ठीक है, सो इट विल हियर, सो इट कैनॉट मिमिक द फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर, अदरवाइज इट शुड बी, ठीक है, इट शुड बी, अदरवाइज इट शुड बी ओवरलैपिंग विद ईच अदर, ठीक है, so that is why this is not, this it lacks mirror plane symmetry. Then the other one is like what about benzene ring. So whether it is having a mirror plane of symmetry, so benzene, so yes, it can have. So either you see it horizontally, vertically, or you see it horizontally. So it is having mirror plane of symmetry. Then what about a substituted? Let us suppose a chloro group is there. So whether it is having a mirror plane of symmetry, okay, chlorobenzene, whether it is having a mirror plane of symmetry, okay, so that again, okay, in this case too, so even if from one side, whether it is vertical or it is horizontal, even if from one side, if the molecule can be divided symmetrically, okay, then we can call it is having a mirror plane of symmetry, okay. So for example, if we see the horizontal mirror of plane of symmetry, no, it's not there, because chlorine is there is no chlorine here, okay. But if we see the vertical plane of symmetry, the molecule is actually passing in between the chlorine molecule, ठीक है, इसके बीच में से पास करेगा, the vertical plane of symmetry, okay. So whether this plane is dividing the molecule into two equal halves, yes, it will, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने क्लोरीन को बीच से डिवाइड किया है, so chlorine will be covered by the plane, वो प्लेन के ऊपर आ गया, otherwise the molecule will be symmetrical, ठीक है, इस केस में molecule symmetrical आएगा, so that this is having a mirror plane of symmetry, that you need to check, ठीक है, you need to be very much clear about it. So अगर एक substituent है, this substituent is not having a center of symmetry, अगर chlorobenzene है, chlorobenzene will not having a center of symmetry, ठीक है, but what about axis of symmetry? Again, axis of symmetry, if you having this vertical axis of symmetry and if you rotate this molecule by 180 degrees, okay, so this molecule is having C2 axis of symmetry, okay. What about perpendicular axis of symmetry? No, ठीक है, बिकॉज क्लोरीन ग्रुप विल मूव इट्स रिलेटिव पोजीशंस, इसका जो अलग अलग पोजीशन है वो मूव करेगा। हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री अगेन नो, ठीक है, अगेन क्लोरीन ग्रुप नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। बट देन वर्टिकल एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, तो वर्टिकल करेंगे तो यस द by 180 rotated by 180 degree क्लोरीन विल रिमेन हियर, वो यहीं पे रहेगा, ठीक है। सो इट इज हैविंग but it is having a vertical axis of symmetry, so vertical axis of symmetry is there, ठीक है। then mirror plane symmetry, ठीक है, अगेन थोड़ा सा अगर आपको मैं कंफ्यूजन है तो मैं अगेन टेलिंग यू, ठीक है। सो मिरर प्लेन मींस you're passing the plane exactly from the chlorine atom, यहां से पास कर रहे हैं आप, ठीक है। so that plane itself divide the molecule into two equal half, दोनों को इक्वल हाफ में डिवाइड करेगा। so this molecule will have a mirror plane symmetry, ठीक है। so this mirror plane symmetry is there, ठीक है। so that you need to understand, ठीक है। ये मत सोचना कि इसमें सिर्फ एक क्लोरीन है तो इसमें मिरर प्लेन सिमेट्री नहीं आएगा, या सिर्फ एक सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है तो इसमें एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। सो दैट यू नीड टू सी कि आप जब ऑपरेशन लगा रहे हो तो उस पर आपने सिमेट्री ऑपरेशन लगाया, सिमेट्री ऑपरेशन लगाने के बाद इफ यू आर कंपेयरिंग इट विद द ओरिजिनल स्ट्रक्चर, जो उसका ओरिजिनल स्ट्रक्चर है उसके साथ कंपेयर करोगे, एंड इफ जो वट एवर जो स्ट्रक्चर आपके पास जो आ रही है वो ओरिजिनल स्ट्रक्चर के साथ एग्जैक्टली ओवरलैप कर रहा है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू रेफरेंस, ठीक है। सो दैट मॉलिक्यूल विल हैविंग दैट पर्टिकुलर एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री, whether it is a plane of symmetry or axis of symmetry or center of symmetry, ठीक है। so these three symmetry elements, okay, the next one is alternating axis of symmetry, okay। so alternating axis of symmetry, there are basically two operations, it's combination of one is C2 operations and mirror plane operations, ठीक है। we see in a molecule, ठीक है, we apply two operations, one is C2 axis of, ठीक है, सिमेट्री चेक करेंगे हम लोग कि मॉलिक्यूल में एक C2 ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे, उसको मॉलिक्यूल को 180 डिग्री से रोटेट करेंगे, ठीक है, और देन वी अप्लाई ए मिरर प्लेन सिमेट्री, ठीक है, उस पे मिरर प्लेन सिमेट्री देखेंगे, एंड इफ वी एंड अप विद द सेम मॉलिक्यूल जो ओरिजिनल स्ट्रक्चर के साथ एग्जैक्टली मैच कर रहा है, ठीक है, देन वी कॉल इट ए दैट मॉलिक्यूल इज हैविंग ए alternating axis of symmetry. The only condition is that both, because we are applying one is a C2 operation and another one is a mirror plane operations, okay। so both the operations they should be perpendicular to each other, that should be the condition, okay। so this is the conditions कि अगर आपने C2 ऑपरेशन लगाया, अगर आप C2 हॉरिजॉन्टल लगा रहे हो, ठीक है, आपने हॉरिजॉन्टली C2 उसको रोटेट किया मॉलिक्यूल को, ठीक है, देन यू हैव टू सी जो मिरर प्लेन देखना है आपने, मिरर प्लेन आप वर्टिकल देखोगे, तो वर्टिकल मिरर प्लेन वर्टिकल देखोगे, ठीक है। अगर आपने मिरर प्लेन, अगर आपने हॉरिजॉन्टल लगाया, आप हॉरिजॉन्टल देख रहे हो मिरर प्लेन, ठीक है, तो जो C2 ऑपरेशन लगाओगे आप, C2 ऑपरेशन इट शुड बी वर्टिकल, वो वाइस वर्सा होगा, ठीक है, अपोजिट होगा कि बोथ ऑपरेशंस दे शुड बी परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, कि अगर C2 आपने हॉरिजॉन्टल लगाया मिरर प्लेन वर्टिकल लगेगा, अगर C2 वर्टिकल लगाया आपने मिरर प्लेन हॉरिजॉन्टल लगेगा, ठीक है। यू कैन सी इट विद दिस एग्जांपल। सो फॉर एग्जांपल if we are having this molecule, okay, let us start with cis-butene, ठीक है, cis-butene के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं, और वो हमें पता है cis-butene is having axis of symmetry, इस पे C2 ऑपरेशन लगाते हैं पहले, let us C2, ठीक है। so it depends on you whether you are applying a horizontal or vertical, ठीक है। so let us suppose हम इस पे अभी horizontal लगाते हैं, horizontal means this one, ठीक है। so C2 horizontal means 180 डिग्री का रोटेशन करेंगे, so what we will get, 180 डिग्री का रोटेशन किया, we will get C3 CS3 and H and H. Okay, so because C2 is a horizontal, so this one is horizontal operations. So then we have to apply a vertical mirror plane operation. So this is vertical. ये vertical apply करना पड़ेगा मैं. Okay, so this is vertical. Then we'll end up with CS3 and CS3. Okay, so this was horizontal and this was vertical. So you end up with this molecule. So if you compare it with the first one and the third one, so whether both of them they are same or not. Okay, so we can see both of them they are different. ठीक है, जो C2 है, ठीक है, C2 अलग है, इसमें सॉरी ये इसमें दोनों मिथाइल ग्रुप नीचे है, इसमें दोनों मिथाइल ग्रुप ऊपर है. So it means this molecule is not having a alternating axis of symmetry. So alternating axis of symmetry is missing here. Okay. Then what about in transbutene? Let us see transbutene में H and CH3. Okay. So this one is a horizontal. Okay. So horizontal axis of symmetry. So it will be CH3 H. Then this one will be CH3 and this one will be H. Okay. So this one will be H. Okay. Then the vertical mirror plane symmetry. So the vertical mirror plane symmetry इसके अगर करेंगे, so this will become, so this will be H and this will be CH3. This will be H and this will be CH3. Oh, sorry. So actually this one will be CH3 and this one will be, it should be H. Yeah, but what I'm doing is इसका मिरर प्लेन बना, ये जो मॉलिक्यूल है इसको हमने यहाँ पे मिरर रखा और मिरर में हाउ विल इट लुक लाइक. ठीक है, जब मिरर प्लेन ऑपरेशन लगा रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो हाउ विल इट लुक लाइक, सो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस वन. ठीक है, सो व्हेन विल वी कंपेयर द ट्रांसब्यूटेन. ठीक है, ट्रांसब्यूटेन के केस में so this one is having alternating axis of symmetry because you compare these two sections, section number 1 and section number 2. Okay, so this section number 1, this one is section number 2. Okay, you compare it. Okay, and you will find it that these both of them they are same. Okay, now secondly, but what we did a C2 operation. हमने horizontal लगाया ये और ये vertical लगाया. Let us do vice versa. Okay, so let us do other way around. So we can say let us apply a vertical C2 operation. Okay, यहाँ पे vertical C2 operation लगाते हैं. So okay, it is visible. Okay. ठीक है, so अगर vertical लगाएंगे, let us suppose we are having this C, this one is H, this one is CH3 and then CH3 and H. Okay, so we are applying a horizontal C2 operation. C2 है, but in this case it is horizontal है, so then we will end up with this. So this is here I will have CH3 and this will be H, this will be H and this will be CH3. Okay, so what will happen here in this case, so this is C2 is horizontal करोगे, so CH, this H and CH3 they will interchange and this CH3 and H they will interchange. Okay, and then now this is a vertical C2, मैंने vertical C2 operation लगाया. So our mirror plane operation will be horizontal. अब हम mirror को horizontal रखेंगे इस तरह से. ठीक है, पहले हमने mirror vertical रखा था, Now we'll put the mirror horizontal. ठीक है, हॉरिजेंटल रखेंगे. सो हाउ विल दिस मॉलिक्यूल विल लुक लाइक. तो ये जब आप मिरर में देखोगे इसको, ठीक है, सो ये H यहाँ दिखेगा, ये वाला CH3 यहाँ पे दिखेगा, और ये वाला, ये जो ऊपर वाला CH3 है ये नीचे दिखेगा यहाँ पे, और ये H ये यहाँ पे दिखेगा. ठीक है, सो देन we end up with this texture CH3. So you compare it with this one. So this one is the first one, this is the second one, and this one is the third one. So this one is first, this one is second, and this one is third. Okay. So in this case again, you compare the first and the third, first and third. You put it, overlap it, and so this molecule is having the alternating axis of symmetry. So alternating axis of symmetry is there. Okay. So only you need to do it. What you need to do is you need to put the both these operations, they should be perpendicular, mutually perpendicular to each other. अगर आप C2 को आप हॉरिजॉन्टली लगा रहे हो, the mirror plane should be vertical. अगर मिरर प्लेन आप हॉरिजॉन्टल लगाओगे, C2 it should be vertical, otherwise सीख नहीं आएगा और correct informations. ठीक है. So this is about alternating axis of symmetry. For you people, I'm giving you homework. So let us suppose we are having the liquid. This is CH3, this is H, this is H, and this is CH3. Okay. So you need to find whether this molecule is having the alternating axis of symmetry or not. ठीक है, कि आपको ये पता करना है. ठीक है, ये मॉलिक्यूल आपका CH3H, HCH3. So you need to find whether this molecule is having a alternating axis of symmetry or not. ठीक है, आप करो इसको, देखो, and if you are able to do it, ठीक है, so it means you got the point, and you got the basic understanding about various symmetry operations. So whatever symmetry operations we are having, ठीक है, so whether it is following it or not. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे भी आपको दोनों ऑपरेशन लगाने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, that's very good of Amit. Amit is very fast in it. Amit and Bandinika Chaudhary, Vikanksha Gautam. So I don't know, you if you did it, okay, so that's good. So just check it. Even I don't know whether it is having or not. So I will see it and I will check it, and maybe we'll discuss, and then we'll move on to the stereochemistry. Exactly, what is enantiomers, what are enantiomers, what are diastereomers, okay, what is chirality. So we'll start with that. If these basics, the symmetry elements, if it is clear to you. Okay. So again, I already told you the books. Stereochemistry का जो basic book है, it's of Eliel. Eliel की है, Eliel की, लेकिन उसका language है थोड़ा सा problematic. Then there are many numbers, many other books are there. P.S. Kalsi की भी it's good. ठीक है, जो simple सी अगर basic understanding करनी है आपने. Then stereochemistry वही फिनार है. ठीक है, फिनार में है. फिर जेरी मार्च है. जेरी मार्च में उसमें भी थोड़ा सा stereochemistry का कवर किया हुआ है. So you can follow, or whatever books you are having, okay, you go through it and just see, okay, whether if there is something to discuss, then we can definitely discuss it. Okay. So okay, so we'll continue it if you like it, and yeah, for me it's again comfortable because at least I can use the board. So I hope you people have enjoyed it. So maybe I will have your attendance now, but I don't know how can I have your attendance now. So whether you have to participants, okay, participants are there. So there are 52 of you are here. Today is 21st. See. Hmm. So you don't have any other option, no? You don't have option of using your mic. Can you people use your mic or no? I don't think so, no? You can't use it. Hmm. Okay, then we'll see. We'll see it later how to do it. Thank you very much.